and welcome back to my channel. This is DC, guys. I don't know, but I'm happy today. I'm like past happy, like extra happy right now. But guys, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome. So guys, I got something in the mail, and these are some lock extension. I saw this page on Instagram. I think is, I don't want to say it wrong, but I think it's Naetoriouslocs, I think. And this girl that having these extension, I think she's the owner for, yeah, Notorious. I'm not good at saying word. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I think it's a Naetoriouslocs. They sell lock extension, but I'll definitely show their name on the screen somewhere, some here and there, somewhere. And I did love the look that the girl have in. It was so beautiful, and I love the style. And I know that style gonna look nice on me. The only thing I gotta do is I'm gonna go color my hair in jet black, because the end right here is red. I mean, my hair is kind of brown. Why look like I picked the wrong? Oh shit, don't tell me I picked the wrong color. I think I picked the wrong damn color. Oh my god, I picked the wrong color. I didn't want this. This is burgundy. I didn't want an Umbro effect. The red. Like, seriously? I gotta figure out how to send it back. I'm upset. I'm upset right now. I didn't want this. What the? It looked like I picked the wrong damn color. I'm kind of pissed off, right? I'm upset. I'm upset right now. This is the color I did want. You see that? Dark color, not red. I want that. Oh my god. I don't know what to do now. I seriously don't know what to do. I didn't want red. How is this gonna damn look now? I didn't want red. Oh my god, I'm evil looking damn blurry. Here we go. I didn't want red. And I don't want to open it because I didn't want red. Oh my god, what the heck did I do wrong? And here is $15 a pack, and I got 3 packs. So messed up. How the heck I make such a mistake? Excuse, please, excuse. Oh, the color that was on board was J99. Which color is that? I didn't even go to the option to change it. J9. Oh, shit. And the color that I want is 1B27. I didn't even go to the option to change. I didn't read that. To be honest, I didn't read that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I didn't want so much damn hair. Oh. I don't know what the heck to do with it. It's red. Gonna see if I could send it back up. If I did get the amber effect, you know, like the black going into the red type, I think I would like it. But I'm gonna see if I could send it back and get. Oh. So guys, I'm a little bit calm from all of that commotion. So what I did, I went ahead and I dyed my hair in black, and I let my mom section up my hair with some rubber band, like 3 to 4 locks into one. So this is what it is. So let's talk about the hair a little bit. Cece's making nice. Cece! Okay, so I was playing around with the hair, and I decided what I'm gonna do with it. It's it feels nice. It don't feel like it's gonna unravel that much if you really take care of it. And here goes the packaging. So it looks, you can't even see their name so good, but yeah, they look pretty nice. So we're gonna put these in. So happy. So this much I have left, and this is how the hair is looking. That's the length. Let me try to show you the back. So that's it. If you guys seeing it. So the only thing with the hair, because I didn't get the right tone, you could see where I add in the hair. You see that? But it's nice. So I'm gonna be finishing it up, and then I come back and show you guys how I put them in. Whew. So finally finished, almost. So I got 5 locks left. I already interlock 3. I only have these 2 to interlock. So I'm gonna show you guys how I interlock it. Need your lock hook, and you basically just push it in, find the hook, and pull it through. It's not hard. Because my hair wants to, let me just interlock it. There we go. More. When I normally do my hair, I just feel to push it in. Sometimes I look in the mirror, but other from that, I feel it. Alright, it's good. So now it's time to put on the extension. So I'm gonna leave. I'm doing it right. Okay, these 2, and I'm gonna put these 3 together. So we're gonna twist the hair, then I'm gonna start a rope, twist it, because you want it as tight as possible, not too tight though to break it here. We just rope twist it down. The desired length that I want. So I'm just gonna go a little bit more, and I'm gonna put on the extension. What is it, Cece? Jamar, why you bring her up here? That's how it look. I'm just gonna put it in. So here it is, and this is my hair. And we're gonna basically twist it in. And the problem, if I did got the umber effect here, it would have blended in real good, but my mistake for getting the wrong hair. So you just keep twisting it and try to tuck your hair in as best as you can. There we go. Then you get a rubber band, it's tied here, and you put it on the end. So there we go. See that? And here it is. You could tell because, see? What is it? All right. my goodness, with puppet.
Are you gonna break Daddy's thing?
Where is the other piece? Oh. You guys want to be careful with how you tug the hair because look at this. It got popped, but we're gonna work magic. Okay? So let's do this so CC don't get it. Accessory, and I have a total of 80 braids. There's a twist, 80 twists in my hair with the extension on it. But on the roots we have like 2 locks, 3 or 4 locks attached to one braid lock extension. So this is what it looks like. I love it.